Welcome back. Good news to share today. My friends over at Chimera BMX have completed their funding goal. They are at 113% funding. They're ready to start making some bikes in just less than like 2 weeks. I think they completed their Indiegogo funding goal. If you haven't had a chance to check them out yet, get over to chimeracycles.com. They're also Chimera Cycles on Instagram and on YouTube. Check out the videos. Shoot them a message. Austin's really friendly, easy to talk to. He's really eager to talk about the bike as well and all the technology involved with it. You'll get your answers right away. He's really good like that. And for someone like me who's not really like mechanically inclined, he does a great job of like breaking it down and talking to you about the motor and the cranks and the gearing in a way that's easy for a layman to understand. They're still at those low non-retail price levels, so you can get the standard build for $4,200, or you can get the Founders Edition build, which is the one that I have coming to me, for $5,300. And when you see all the parts involved in this and the top-notch level of quality that you're getting, you're going to want to jump on it. It's a great deal. So go check them out. I got a couple of clips here I can share with you, and hopefully it motivates you to jump over there and buy a bike.
Doing that. What's up, bro? How you feeling? Sweet.
Hopefully I'll have it soon. I can't wait to get it out here and start letting my friends try it, demo it, hit the skate parks, do some fucking jumps. I'm psyched. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned in. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell your fucking grandma. You know the deal.